everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I recently got this kind of for free on a discounted price. It's the Breakfast in Bed palette by Bakerie. It's an interesting, cute little palette, so I just decided to swatch it for you. So let's take a look. I had never heard of this brand before. Sorry about my nails. That's just what it's like with anxiety and animals. I'm sorry if it bothers you. This brand is cruelty free. Of course, this is an adorable palette. It says vegan friendly on the back, but I don't see the actual cruelty free logo, but I did when I looked it up. This is not what I expected on the inside though. It's this kind of mauve-y looking palette. Oh, sorry. It's a lot darker than I would think for like a, I don't know, like a morning breakfast in bed palette. I don't know, I thought about like, you know, lighter waffle colors or like yellow butter or something. I don't know, it's just interesting. So I really want to see how it swatches. Let's go ahead and do that and then we'll see what we think at the end. So these are really big pans. Sorry if there's a little glitter on my arm from my previous swatch video that I just recorded. This one's called Yawning. Very interesting, kind of grayish with some purple in it, which makes sense with me saying it was purple mauve. This is called Forehead Kisses. It's just a very light pinky skin tone for lighter skinned folks. You can barely tell because it's basically my color on my arm here. And then this one is Pajamas, but it has the J-A-M capitalized, so I read it as pajamas. This is a reddy purple. I mean, it's more red than purple, I think. These aren't, you know, morning colors. I mean, I understand not having like a sunset palette for the morning, which most of these themes do, but I don't know. I mean, I like it like individually, but I don't know how I feel about that as a theme. This one's called French Doors. It looks like it's going to be a stunner. Yeah, wow. It's like a silver shimmer, but it has like a lavender in it. Ooh, I like that a lot. This middle one I thought said book and a view, but it says boo and a view. I think that's a typo and it's supposed to say book and a view. It's not building up very well. I haven't found a deep green like this that has been pigmented. I don't know if it's hard to formulate or what. It's got a little shimmer in it. I don't think it's just my fingers. Wow, look at the reflex on this French Doors one. It's gorgeous. The last one in this row is called Messy Hair. I love that. I don't know, it's a muted, like, browny red, maybe? These are hard to describe. I guess there's a reason why it's not, like, super popular or well-known, at least, I don't know. It might be, and I just don't know, because I've only been getting into makeup since 2021. Ooh, this next one feels like a cream. It's called Fresh Face. Beautiful. What color is that? Tell me in the comments below. This one's called Cuddle Cakes. This is a grayish. This is a little more red and brown in it. This is gray or darker. I don't know. And this next one looks like a purple mauve. Lazy Baby. Yep, it sure is. So, I don't know, this to me would look more like a bedtime palette, maybe? Not sure about the theme. I enjoy the colors. It's going to be a little difficult to come up with one because they're all quite dark. I'm still going to try, and let me know if you've heard of this palette, if you've used it, what you recommend as far as making looks out of it. And, I don't know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Is there an S on there? No. Okay. I don't know if it's hard to formula or what. It's just shiny, dark, like medium grayish. What the heck? I'm calling them all grayish. I don't know what I'm doing here.